This is the NANGROW Transparency Tour, so you can see exactly what goes into your child's glass of milk. Dr. Nihar, I know we're going to be talking about NANGROW today, and my first question was, where does the milk actually come from?
So Nestlé actually sources its milk from around 80,000 farmers across villages of Haryana and Punjab. And their quality control doesn't start at the factory, it actually starts at these farms.
The raw milk sits in the tanker outside and is tested here before a single drop is allowed into the factory. More than 75 quality parameters: protein levels, fat content, nutrients that help with the toddler's growth, checked right at the point of entry. The milk is also checked for antibiotic residues and heavy metals.
Whey protein goes anywhere near the blend, it goes through 20 plus quality checks. Mineral profile, protein levels, microbial safety, heavy metals, safe, clean and exactly what it should be. Lactose goes through 15 plus checks. Vitamin premixes go through 40 plus checks. Nearly 100 quality checks on raw materials before anything is ever produced.
That's a lot of testing even before the final product is ready.
Yeah. Nutrition levels, moisture, density, texture, uniformity, 20 plus more checks on the powder itself before it gets filled in.
And finally, we head to the sensory lab, where humans become the final quality control tool. They're checking taste, smell, color, texture, and even the mouth feel. So even after all those machines, human judgment still matters. Sometimes a mother's nose catches what machines miss.